I used to be very employed that person.
Yes, they employ new cook.
For reception.
Yes, now before I'm going, you know to say now, woman. They don't sack you now.
Why they go sack you?
Why they not go sack you? What's the worry this? You will go serve person frozen beans.
Say,
you get mad. Why they don't go? She say you go like I cool because you like ice cream. You give person ice cream. Yes, sir.
What are you morons all about again?
No, we are saying that we like the...
That doesn't matter. You're the one that served cold beans to a customer, isn't it?
No, frozen beans. That
frozen beans?
Yes, yes. Yes.
Yeah, that's the end of it now.
No, frozen beans and bread.
Yes, okay, it's over now, alright? You're off cooking duties.
Yeah, I think it's Saki. It isn't now.
Why you talking now?
Hey!
Sorry, sir.
Morons. This is our new cook. Right. So say hi. Yeah, tell her welcome.
Hi.
Welcome her the Brains Hotel way.
Wait, you're not a customer.
She's not a customer. Yes, okay.
Good
afternoon, ma. Good afternoon, ma. Welcome to the Brains Hotel. Welcome to the Brains Hotel.
You've learned it. Explore.
I can pound yam. I can pound the yam very well. And fufu.
She has anything. But she concern yam and welcome hotel.
She's enthusiastic to get on the job here. So just welcome. That's what's important. Say welcome.
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 Amen. Amen. Okay.
She has a hearing impediment.
Oh.
She doesn't hear too good.
Sir?
She doesn't hear too well, so you'd have to speak out.
Is she deaf?
They said welcome!
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You will like it.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
2 hours to get.
I said you're welcome. You're welcome. Oponu. You're welcome.
Thank you.
I bet.
Thank you.
Yeah, so that's just a little
So
bit.
is our new staff?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll be calling her on the phone.
Just speak a little bit louder, you project and good meals, happy meals.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Shut up! I mean, gracias. Welcome.
All right then. You teach her the dance, the welcome song.
Okay, say after me. Say good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon, ma.
No, I'm not going to market. I just resume. I'm not going to market.
Sorry,
Yeah, I'm hungry. They want to eat. I'm not going to market. Just wait. 2 hours.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
They'll eat 2 hours. 2 hours. I like her too. Women supporting women.
Said good afternoon.
Oh,
it's a song.
Sorry. Thank you.
Excuse me. Sha, don't serve me food. I said don't serve me food.
You like corn? Please say. Okay, I'll roast corn. 2. You can finish 2 corn, Abi. I'll roast corn.
No, na me fuck up.
You riffraff! Today is a special day because I love love, as you all know, right? Yes. All right, so we're about to celebrate love. Her boyfriend, fiance person will be here. It's his birthday, and we are going to do a surprise thing. Okay? So I want to hear your ahs. Ahs. That was terrible. All right, so you tell them about the thing. You tell them about your fiance.
I don't cook stew.
Tell them about your fiance.
Okay. Today is my fiance's birthday, so I want to prank him. I told him that the food I cook is not sweet, so manager want to sack me.
Thank God. I tell you they go sack him. It say na lie.
My food is
I tell you they go sack. Oh, the worry shall be your food is.
Hey,
Silent buying food.
Hey, it's the day of love. You don't have to say the truth. All right? Okay, carry on.
Yeah. So I call him and say they want to sack me. So he want to come and beg. So I want the boy to just hide. As he enter, I'll just say,
Yes. Is that clear?
Yes,
Okay, so.
He's calling me.
Oh, it's cool.
Come up, okay, enter the reception. Come inside, thank you. He's coming.
Right.
Okay, so when you come, sound so
Surprise. Okay. Right, so.
Yeah, I'm already upstairs.
Mumu, you know, still the surprise person. It's happened.
How the fiancé be this now?
Daddy, husband, me that now.
Yes.
I'm surprised. Happy birthday. Sorry.
Love.
I'll slap you on that.